Okay, so moving on to question 6 of test 2 part 2. Um, Question 6 says 87 joules of work are needed to stretch a spring from 1.4 meters to 2.9 meters from equilibrium. What is the value of the spring constant? So we just have to remember our formulas for compression, right? So it's going to be 1/2 k, let me see, k x final square minus 1/2 kx initial, let's put initial square, equals the work. So we have 87, which is the work, equals 1/2 of our k value. Let's say x final square minus k initial square. So this is 1/2 k. Our final was what, 2.9 squared minus our initial is 1.4 squared, 87. So let's multiply. Let's take away this 1/2. So by doing this, we just multiply by 2 over on this side, canceling out the 1/2. So 87 times 2 is 174. 174 equals our k value. What's 2.9 squared? That's 8.41 minus 1.4 squared. That's 1.96 times 6. So we have 174 equals our k, and the difference between 8.41 minus 1.96 comes to 645. Let me just, this is erasing. Yeah. So it comes 6.45 k. So let's divide 6.45 by both sides, 6.45. And our k value will be 174 divided by 6.45, 26.97, which rounding it off, you get 27 newtons meters. So our answer is 27, which is a k constant, which corresponds to letter B. And that is our final answer.